compact, capable, class-leading. The Haulotte Optimum 8 electric scissor lift is built to raise your productivity, with safety, reliability and smart design that meets the demands of Australian job sites. From construction and maintenance to retail and events, the Optimum 8 is a versatile solution for working at height. Rated for both indoor and outdoor use, its non-marking tyres and low 1,590 kilo weight make it ideal for delicate flooring, while a 45 km/h wind rating ensures safe operation in open-air job sites. Tie-down points and forklift pockets make transport safe and simple. The Optimum 8 supports a 230 kilo capacity and reaches a 5.77 metre platform height with full-height drive capability to keep workflows moving. Extend the platform in seconds using a foot-activated slide-out deck for extra reach when needed. Electric AC motors deliver instant torque and a top travel speed of 4.5 km/h, while proportional controls ensure smooth, precise movement in tight areas. Paired with a dedicated trailer, the Optimum 8 becomes a truly mobile solution, eliminating both hire and transport costs while enabling rapid site-to-site deployment. At just 79 centimetres wide, with a 1.98 metre stowed height, the Optimum 8 can fit through standard doorways. The detachable control box allows manoeuvring in tight conditions and can be removed and stored for additional security when not in use. Its best-in-class 1.5 metre turning circle also makes it highly effective in confined work zones. Safety comes standard. Anti-slip stairs built into the rear counterweight enable stable and secure access to the platform. This solid counterweight not only enhances structural stability, but also protects the lift from accidental impacts during operation. The pothole protection system activates when the platform is elevated, allowing the scissor lift to travel over minor surface variations or potholes safely. Additional safety features include dual emergency stops, and a ground-level descent system provide extra peace of mind. Light indicators keep operators informed of tilt, overload, faults and battery status in real time. Service is quick, with 2 swing-out compartments providing easy access to the batteries and hydraulic components. AC motors are maintenance-free, while the onboard diagnostics system ActiveScreen provides live system alerts and simplifies troubleshooting. Fewer hydraulic hoses reduce leak risk, and waterproof connectors protect circuits from moisture. All major components are treated for corrosion resistance, built to last in tough Australian conditions. And at day's end, recharge via a standard 240-volt plug, ready for tomorrow's work. Compact, capable, class-leading. The Haulotte Optimum 8 electric scissor lift delivers the performance, safety and reliability professionals expect. And above all, it's backed by a 5-year manufacturer warranty for complete peace of mind.
Lift your